In Nigeria today, there are several businesses operating without carrying out the necessary registration. So, there is a need for one when conducting business to ensure that the business you are transacting or you are about to transact with is duly registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission. A company, for example, may just claim that they are duly registered with Corporate Affairs Commission, but that may not be the case. You may also, out of curiosity, just want to know or check if a company is legally registered. Maybe you've always seen this company going about its business and you're like, okay, is this company legitimate? I just want to know if this company is registered with Corporate Affairs Commission or not. All you need to do is go to your browser. You can do this on your system, that is on your laptop or desktop or on your smart mobile phone. You can use any browser of your choice. Whichever browser you decide to use, you open it and on the search bar, you can just type cac.gov.ng and click enter. This will take you to the Corporate Affairs Commission portal or their website. You will just scroll down and you will see online registration on your right and public search on your left. You click on public search. It will take you to another page where you will see the search bar. On this search bar, if you have the registration number, also known as the RC number of the company you want to search for, you can type the registration number on this search bar. If you do not have the registration number, you can just type the name of the company or use the keywords from the name of the company if you cannot remember the exact name of the company. For example, I want to search for a company but I cannot remember the exact name. I will just type Child of Mercy. Click enter or you click on the search button, it will bring up a list. The results will bring up the company or companies with similar names if the company is registered. Here you can see it brought out God's Mercy Child Care. I did not put in the exact name, but it brought up something similar. So above the results, you can see business name, company, incorporated trustees, limited partnership, and limited liability partnership. So the company or business you want to search, it could be registered as a business name, company, incorporated trustee, limited partnership, or limited liability partnership. So all you have to do in your search is to click on these different types of registered companies. You can check here if it's a business name that you are trying to search for. You check here, business name, and it will bring up different names, results that fall under business name. If it's a company, you click on company to bring up results that fall under that, incorporated trustees, and so on and so forth. In this case, it is a company I am searching for. So you can see the company here. It brought up the results, brought up the registration number, that is the RC number, the name of the company, that is God's Mercy Child Care, and the address of the company. It brought up all this information, and as you can see, I did not have to pay for this. It is completely free of charge on the website. As long as the company is registered, your search will bring up the company, but if it is not registered it will not bring up the company. Your search will just show no results. Please, it is important to note that this search is only a public search on the Corporate Affairs Commission website. It is just a simple search. It will merely reflect whether the company is duly registered with Corporate Affairs Commission or not. The search will include the registered office address of the company. It will also include the registration number, that is the RC number of the company. It does not include the names or particulars of the directors and shareholders of the company. If you want to know these extra details or the full details of a registered company, you will have to consult a lawyer or a Corporate Affairs Commission accredited agent who will carry out a detailed search for you from the Corporate Affairs Commission, and this is not done free of charge. You have to pay a certain fee. You can also send us an email if you need more information or assistance. So you see how it is important. In order not to get scammed in this country, you have to be equipped with this knowledge. You have to conduct due diligence before engaging in any service or transacting with a company. If a company is not registered, no result will pop up on your search. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to send us an email if you need more information or assistance. Thank you once again.